what's better than having quests in Minecraft? Having more quests. Hunt quests require you to accept it from an NPC, then go and hunt down all of the enemies they request. As soon as you kill the enemies, you immediately get your rewards. This is how to make hunt quests in Minecraft. So, last video we did retrieval quests. This time we're going to do hunt quests. So they're very much the same thing. In fact, I think I covered part of it in the retrieval quest because of how I've done it. But anyway, so the first thing you need to do, an NPC, and go into advanced settings and give them one of these commands. Call it accept quest or whatever you'd like, but the idea is it needs to be clear that's going to be accepting the quest. And set block coordinates redstone block. Make sure you get the underscore in there. So the coordinates for that is going to be in front of this command block here. Right, so it places the redstone block here to start the quest. And so, same thing as the other quest, just impulse unconditional needs redstone, so it's going to be giving everyone a title of quest accepted, a subtitle, sorry. So that pops up just above where my level thing is there. Then above that, you're getting the title, which is newbie's first hunt, so whatever you want the title of your quest to be goes in there. Chain conditional, always active, all of these will be that. And then after that, this has got 4 more command blocks, but they're all exactly the same-ish. So each of these are structure load hunt quest 1, which is the enemy of the quest that I've made, which is just a zombie. Make sure it fits in with the map, but it's very important it's got a tag hunt quest 1 as well, so that it can be referred to. And then this is a specific coordinate in the forest here, and as are each of these. They're just slightly different coordinates, so they all spawn just throughout the forest here. The next part of this quest is something that detects if they're still there. So this block here is checking for anything with hunt quest 1 in this area of a radius of 20. So if they wander away too far so you wouldn't be able to find them, they don't count, and if you kill them, they don't count. So this will just detect once the player has killed them all or they've wandered away into the distance. When the quest originally starts, it turns off the torch, and then once you've killed everything, it turns the torch back on, triggering this. And so this will give you the subtitle. So same thing as before, just title and subtitle for, graphics to make it look nicer. So subtitle, newbie's first hunt, name of the quest, and then the bonuses you get, which again, pebbles is the currency in this world I've made here, and then some XP. And then the next one, title quest complete, to show you that you've killed all the zombies, the quest has been complete. And now, as I mentioned in my last video, it doesn't have to be this complicated, but this just means that you get one reward at a time. So if you're getting 14 of something, it'll give you one thing 14 times, rather than just 14 of it. You can change this, just make it one command block. So just instead do here, structure load the item at the nearest player. But instead here, I've got set block of redstone here. And this will, every tick, spawn a pebble at the nearest player. And then the next one will happen 30 ticks later, which will set that same block to air here, and that'll delete the redstone. After that, we've got the same thing again, set block redstone here, which sets off this one to give 2 experience points at a time, because 1's a bit slow. And the next one after 62 ticks, so that would be 124 XP from this one. It sets that to air and stops giving you XP. That's all it is for this quest. I can show you what it looks like here. So the first thing we would do, up at here and accept the quest. So newbie's first hunt, quest accepted. You see it places the redstone block here, and now this torch is off. And you can see there's some zombies that have now spawned. So zombie level 1 they're all called, but if you don't want them to be the same, you could always just name them for quest zombie or something, so it's clear they're part of the quest. So I'm going to go through and kill all of these. Oh, there we go, they will wander far enough away anyway. And I've got 30 pebbles and 124 XP. Actually leveled up there. Anyway, so you see it went up in 1s and kept dropping these at my feet. And now once you've done the quest once, because there's a redstone block, you won't be able to do it again. If you want the quest to be able to be done over and over, you'll need to add an extra command block in at the end that just clears this redstone block here. Which, like I said, quite easy to do. Just set block, these coordinates, air, and then the quest will be able to be done over and over and over. So that's all it takes to make a hunt quest in Minecraft. Super simple, not very difficult to do. There's quite a few command blocks, but a lot of them are quite simple to do. You can obviously adjust this a little bit if you need any help with that. Message me in the comments below or on my Discord, which will be in the description below. If you'd like to subscribe, press the subscribe button on the right. If you'd like to watch a video on how to make retrieval quests, which I did just the other week, then click the video on the left. Thanks for watching.